guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 to 67 GM A-body convertible header panel molding kits by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Located where the top seals to the windshield, our header panel molding kits are the most authentic fit and appearance on the market. Each molding is made from roll-form stainless steel. At the end of the production line, each molding is polished to perfection, giving it that mirror-like finish. Recently, the end caps have been reproduced with new tooling. In addition, we pre-drilled the mounting holes for a straightforward installation. We've sold thousands of these to satisfied customers for years now. Our customer photos speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.